Today I'm going to show you how to suppress contacts in Klaviyo. This is particularly useful when you want to prevent certain profiles from receiving your email campaigns, whether they've unsubscribed, bounced, or you simply need to exclude them from your marketing efforts. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Klaviyo dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing activities. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Audience. This section is where you manage all your contacts, lists, and segments, giving you full control over who receives your communications. After clicking on Audience, you'll see several options appear. From these, select Lists and Segments. This is where all your organized contact groups live, making it easy to find and manage specific sets of profiles based on your needs. Now comes the important part. Find the list or segment containing the contacts you want to suppress. Once you've located it, look to the right side of that list's name. You'll see 3 dots which represent a menu of actions you can take. Click on those 3 dots to reveal your options. From the menu that appears, click on Suppress Current Members. This action is what triggers the suppression process for everyone currently in that list or segment. Klaviyo takes suppression seriously because it directly impacts your email deliverability and compliance with email marketing regulations. A confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This is Klaviyo's way of making sure you really want to suppress these profiles, as it's a significant action that affects your contact database. Review the message carefully, then click Suppress Profiles to confirm your decision. The system will now process this action and suppress all the members from that list. Now, if you want to verify that the suppression worked or view your suppressed profiles at any time, head back to the left side navigation, click on Profiles. This section gives you access to all profile management features in Klaviyo. Once you're in the Profiles section, look to the right side of the screen. You'll find an option that says View Suppressed Profiles. Click on it and you'll be able to see all the contacts that have been suppressed from your account, confirming that your action was successful. And that's it. You've successfully suppressed contacts in Klaviyo and learned how to view them afterward. This feature helps you maintain a clean, compliant email list while respecting your subscribers' preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.